Welcome all to an in-depth video about Zendesk and how to make use of its interface to enhance the functions of customer service and client management within your organization. To serve as a brief introduction, Zendesk is a service-first CRM company that builds software designed to improve customer relationships. With the focus being on both clients and customers, Zendesk allows organizations to integrate sophisticated work environments for customer service and sales functions to execute their responsibilities in a seamless flow. Zendesk products can be widely categorized into two parts. The first one being the customer service portal for customer service functions, and the second one being client management portal for lead management and sales. In this video, we will discuss both these functions and how to set up your perfect Zendesk workspace. To begin with, let's go over the Zendesk customer support portal. Now, Zendesk provides an all-in-one interface for organizations to create and manage service requests in the form of tickets or live chats with customers. It allows for agents to respond and solve customer issues or requests, and the admins to monitor the performance of each agent and overall customer patterns for decision-making purposes. What you can see here is the login and dashboard section of an agent portal. The main parts to notice here are the tickets overview, which shows the number of tickets open and assigned to a particular agent, and the average rating and statistics on each closed ticket. The next page is the views page. On this page, each ticket assigned to the particular agent over a period of time can be accessed along with the overview of the open tickets, the customer or requester, and when the ticket originated in the system. The next page is the reporting page. This is an automatically generated dashboard view of the reports pertaining to a particular agent, which displays the overall time spoken with the customer, the average solving speed, along with other metrics important to the functions of a particular customer service agent. Now, the question arises as to how do we respond to tickets. Now, once a customer's request is registered on the portal, the agent can access the same from either the views page or the dashboard page. In this particular scenario, let us access the details of the customer request and the ticket from the dashboard page. In order to do that, just click on the home icon and the dashboard. In this dashboards page, you can see there are 3 tickets. For this particular example, we are going to go ahead with the sample ticket, which is on the system. Now, once you click on the particular ticket in this case, you will be able to see the details of the ticket, the customer, and the concerns being outlined in the form of a message. Now, there are a few outlays to check in the segment. On the left side panel, firstly, you can see a particular agent that you can assign the particular ticket to. You can see who has raised the ticket and under what tags. Tags are nothing but tickets being grouped together to be made searchable along the way. In the center, you can see the customer's message along with the reply option mentioned below. Now, there are a few things to take care of in this particular section. You can reply to the customer in a public reply option, which alerts the customer through the same medium they reached out to. In most cases, these are emails. This also allows for other agents to see the response at a later stage. You can choose to place a call to the customer directly as well by clicking on the call option and dialing out from the inbuilt option there. And finally, you can also choose to add an internal note as a guide or a specific detail that needs to be kept in mind while assisting the customer. Now, coming to the right hand side of this particular page, the first thing that you are going to see is the customer details, which is the customer information panel, where the details about a particular customer and their journey in the system is also mentioned in the interactions below. Now, below the entire right side panel, there's the option to take an action on the ticket by either keeping it open stage if no immediate action can be taken, in pending stage in case where the issue is not yet resolved, or solved state once the action has been able to be resolved along with the actions. Now, let's add a particular response for this customer and see how it's done. Now, firstly, you can just type out a particular message in the chat box. In this scenario, we're just going to type out a sample message that you can use that can be used to respond to this particular sample customer. Now once the message is being typed out and is completely finished, we can go ahead and mark this ticket as closed. As you can see on the right hand side, there is the submit as open or submit as pending or submit as solved state as we had seen before. Now once the complete message has been typed, you can just click on the right drop down arrow button, click on submit as solved, and the ticket will become solved. As you can see, the particular ticket is no longer in the overview section as it is displaying only open tickets. But if we click the solved ticket section, you can on the top corner, what you can see is we can just hover over the particular ticket and see the response of our particular statement. Or alternatively, you can click and open the ticket to see the response which is updated on the customer's profile. You can also check on the right side panel now that the icon to that particular interaction has turned gray and the status is showing as solved. This way, each ticket will have a uniform journey and will allow for agents to switch back and forth between customers and ensure that the communication is effective right from the get-go. Now let's move on to the Zendesk Sell option. This is a complete lead management interface that tracks the journey of all leads entering into your system and assists you with the selling features and processes. Now to begin with, we have our first page, which is the dashboard, which provides an overview of the leads assigned to the agent and overview of the stages as well. You can customize this page to represent pretty much any information that is going to be relevant in this particular case. There is also the option to click on the activity feed, which allows for any agent to view the activities that has been going on over a period of time, and also provides customization in the form of filters, which is you can click on any activity, any filter stage, or anything as such which is more relevant to your respective purpose and assign it accordingly. Moving on, the second page here deals with the deals page, which is the details of all the leads that are being assigned to a particular agent. On this page, you can access the details of each lead that is assigned, the lead status, the owner, and other details specific to understanding more about the lead. The next page is the contacts page. Now you can access the various contact touchpoints in this page for each lead, how many communications have happened with the particular lead, and also add new conversations. You can access a particular contact or a lead by clicking on the lead name. This will redirect you to the leads page or the individual contacts page, where you can add a note for internal viewing, send a direct email to the customer or the client, schedule an appointment if needed by scrolling down on the page, or you can add a particular task for the client and also understand the value of pipeline in case the client converts. On the left side panel, you can also change the stage or status of the client deal in your prospecting stage. You can make it a particular customer, a past customer, or a non-customer client, and you can either change it to a prospect stage or a non-prospect stage. The next page is the deals page, which will automatically draw data from the entire client interaction and edits and all the details entered in the client's information and contact page and display it in the form of which stage your client is in and how many clients are in the respective stage of your lead conversion process. And finally, the tasks page for the agent to keep a track of upcoming tasks as well as manage activities accordingly. You can add a task by simply clicking on the plus option and enter the details accordingly. As you can see, this interface provides a wholesome approach to client interaction and lead management, allowing organizations to create a sophisticated flow of information for tracking the status of each lead, managing employee performance, and projecting the revenue for the organization with the clients that we have on our system. In conclusion, Zendesk is growing its reputation in both the customer service and client management industry. You can freely explore all its features with a trial period of 14 days, and feel free to rewind this video to a particular part where you feel you need a bit of assistance. Thank you, and wishing you all the best of luck.